Mr. Imperial, my mom said that we will see a planet tomorrow night. What does she mean? And can you tell me more about the planets?
Why yes, little Alan, let's all go on a field trip and visit all the planets in our solar system. Ready, kids?
Ready!
T-minus 5 and counting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Does anyone know anything about our solar system and the planets?
There are 8 planets.
Each planet is a different size and made up of different materials.
Good job! Let's start at the sun. All the planets revolve around the sun. The sun gives life to the earth by the energy it gives off. Bigger than can really be imagined. Over 1 million times bigger than the earth. The temperature of the sun's core is 15 million degrees.
Wow! That's a really hot place.
Next stop, Mercury! Mercury is the planet closest to the sun, even though it is 36 million miles away. It only takes Mercury 88 days to orbit the sun. The surface of Mercury is covered with craters and completely dry. Next time you're outside, try to look for Mercury. It is one of 5 planets that can be seen without using a telescope. Students, why did Venus have to get an air conditioner?
Why, Mr. I?
Because Mercury moved in! Ha
That was a lame joke.
Thanks, Brian. Can you tell us about Venus?
Sure, Mr. I. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system and can be seen even in daylight if you know where to look. Venus is covered by clouds of water vapor and sulfuric acid, and the surface cannot be seen with an ordinary telescope. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system.
Thanks, Brian. Now to the planet we all know, Earth! Why is Earth so special?
Because it's where we live!
Exactamente, mi amigo. That means exactly, my friends in Spanish. Do you know that Earth is about 4.6 billion years old?
Whoa!
The 4th planet is Mars. Look! Mars is known as the red planet. This is due to a mineral called iron oxide that is very common on planet's surface. Earth and Mars are similar in a lot of ways, but both have polar ice caps. The length of a day is almost identical, and Mars also has seasons. With all these similarities, it's almost hard to believe we haven't found life there yet.
I've always wanted to meet a Martian.
Alright, students, we have visited 4 planets and a massive star. Let's review. Can you name the planets in order starting from the sun?
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars!
Good job, class. Let's continue on our space adventure. Does anyone know what the next planet is?
I do. It's Jupiter.
Fantastic, Joe. You are correct. Can you tell us about it?
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system with a diameter of 139,882 kilometers. It has 63 moons and it even has rings. Cool, huh? Jupiter is the stormiest planet on the solar system. There is a permanent but ever-changing whirlpool of storms known as Jupiter's Great Red Spot, which can be seen using a telescope. Jupiter is the first of the gas giants. The gas giants are entirely composed of dense layers of gas.
Wow, those planets must really stink.
We are learning so much today. Let's continue to the 6th planet. The planet is called Saturn. What's so cool and different about Saturn?
Is this the planet that has rings around it?
You are right, Debbie. Saturn has rings that are visible to see. It is also the only planet that would be able to float on water. A year on Saturn would be equal to 29.5 Earth years. How would you guys like to stay in 6th grade for 29.5 years?
Oh.
Alright, on to the 7th planet, Uranus. The atmosphere of Uranus is composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane in the atmosphere absorbs red light, giving off the planet a blue-green color. The 27 moons of Uranus are named after characters created by William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Alright, students, we are coming to our final planet. The last planet in our solar system is Neptune. Tell us, little Debbie, about Neptune.
Neptune is a planet composed of hydrogen, helium, methane with traces of ammonia and water. Neptune was the very first planet to be located using mathematics rather than observation, but you'll never be able to see it with your naked eye.
Can we use telescopes when we get home and look at Neptune?
Sure! We had such a great day. Let's review one more time the order of the planets. Ready?
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Uranus,
Neptune!
Good job, everyone! It's time to return to our home planet Earth. On our return trip, let's sing the planet song to help us remember the order. Class, prepare for landing. We made it home. I hope you all enjoyed our field trip and learned more about the universe that we live in.
That was fun!